This year at AMP Berlin, we have a total of 9 posters, and let me take you very briefly through all of them and tell you what they are all about. This is an example of a customer using the GeneReader NGS system in their laboratory. In this case, Legacy Health in the United States have successfully implemented a GeneReader NGS system and tested it on a number of solid tumor samples with very great success. We have another customer at CB Med in Graz who was able to test the GeneReader system using different types of samples, including FFPE, circulating free DNA, cell-free DNA, and PFPE process the samples. And they were able to, again, achieve very high level of performance across different sample types and use the GeneReader in their laboratory setting. Our collaborators, Dr. Odenthal and her team at the University of Cologne, were able to test the GeneReader system and compare it with an alternative NGS platform and achieve 100% concordance between the two. Our collaborators, Dr. Tangales at the Dartmouth University, was able to test the GeneReader system and compare the result with another gold standard, well-established GeneReader platform. And they were able to show that we're able to achieve high level of concordance across the board from very low to very high level of variant allele frequencies. Last but not least, this customer is able to successfully implement the GeneReader NGS system in their laboratory to identify low allele frequency mutations in liquid biopsy samples. They were able to detect EGFR deletions, insertions, as well as point mutations in very challenging circulating free DNA at down to 0.59% allele frequency. Here's a poster done by QIAGEN employees, and we were able to rigorously test the GeneReader system by varying different conditions and reagents, and we're able to achieve consistently high level of performance across the board. Dr. Fernandez at Cornell University performed a study using the GeneReader system, and they were able to observe high level of concordance between the GeneReader and another well-established NGS system on the market. As you can see here, from very low to very high level of variant allele frequencies, we're able to achieve 100% concordance. Here's an example of the GeneReader system being used in liquid biopsy testing. We are able to present a robust set of data proving its ability to detect these variants at very high level of sensitivity as well as level of specificity in various liquid biopsy samples. So this is a system that's now being robustly tested and can be readily adopted to detect mutations in circulating cell-free DNA. Here's another example of application of the GeneReader system in detecting BRCA mutations in FFPE samples, which traditionally has been a challenge due to the sample availability and the need to identify these variants at very low frequencies. And now we've just shown that you're able to do that with the GeneReader NGS system. These are examples of customers successfully using the GeneReader NGS systems in their laboratories. We look forward to sharing more success stories with you in a future venue such as ASCO and AMP in Salt Lake City later this year.